Christmas Eve again already? Me too. Driver, are you listening to the radio? Huh? Oh, sorry, was I disturbing you? No, it's fine. I wonder if the snow will still be here tomorrow. We haven't had a white Christmas for ages. Hey, Ginty, you were going on about snow yesterday, and yet it's snowing today. Yeah, I suppose. Hey, are we gonna talk about anything else besides the snow? Good point, Raven. So, there's the Christmas party at the big station later. Hey, is that the time? Come on, Henry, old boy. Time we were off. Gordon? Oh, hello, sir. So, I have arranged for Bear to take your return express today because I want you to take the last train for Christmas. Why? Thank you, sir. Driver, drop some. Haha, sorry. Oh, good grief, Buzzy, what happened to you? There was a gap in the rails thanks to this cold weather. Oh, is that it? Hey, Thomas, with Percy out of action, I've arranged with the Fat Controller for you to take his stone train to Barrow. Daisy will look after your passengers. Oh, okay. Has Mavis been informed about the change? Hello, you two! Oh, what happened here? I guess not.